Up out there in YouTube land. You already know the brand, y'all know the name, Palmetto State Armory. Got my AR-15 here. 16-inch mid-length, 1-7 twist, stainless steel Freedom upper with bolt carrier group and charging handle. Complete lower, Magpul MOE Edition, olive drab green with no magazine. And of course, y'all know the Bushnell Optics TRS-25, the high rise with the red dot. I must say, this is a nice motherfucking AR, man. Very nice. Bushnell, got the clip. Of course, it's California legal, but not anymore. Yeah. I just wanted to make a little short video to show y'all my little AR-15. Got the hexmag. Pretty good mag. I'm loving this. Let me know what you guys think. It's my first video, so be kind.